I said, hey, yo! It's your boy Tulu, man, back with another video. How y'all doing today, man? How y'all doing today? That's what it is, man. That's what it is, man. Me, I can't complain, man. I'm still kicking. I can't complain, but I mean, you already know everybody have their good days and their bad days. Every day ain't perfect. Everybody ain't perfect. But all right, man, we're gonna jump right into this video, man. As y'all see, we already got old Gussie out today, man, and I finally got up with a dude right here in my city, man. He has a big salvage yard that they've been stocking up for over years, and I know for a fact he got G bodies out there because I've already been out there. That's where I got some of the doors from for the car. I ain't record that. I wasn't recording back then when I first started my build. But man, it's a beautiful day. I had to just stop and say that for real. I'm ready for this warm weather to kick in, man, so we can turn up a little bit more. All right, man, so the main objective of this video right here is that I'm about to run over there to go grab some pieces and everything that I need. I didn't find that little door lock piece from the last video that go on the back of the cylinder. If y'all remember, I'm gonna show it back to you. But you know, I'm gonna try to find that piece. I need that quarter panel sail panel, you know, the interior part, and the upper back seat. Trying to get everything right for it to go to the interior shop. I am gonna have to, because my guy Chris, man, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but he got some other stuff going on as far as like work wise, so he ain't gonna be able to pull up on me to do the mounts for the seats. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it back to my boy Britt, you know what I'm saying, let them go ahead and do the seats for me, you know what I'm saying. So you don't got to do that after the seats get done, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it to him, let him get that straight, and then she should be all set and ready to go for interior. I did get some other stuff. In. Y'all, man, I had sprayed some trim and everything, and I just felt like some of it wouldn't look right. Now today we're gonna be installing as well as we get that lock piece too. These are the door handles. You see mine right there is broke, and man, I'm gonna have a time because y'all see that got rivets in it, man. Dang, the other one got, no, the other one got a doggone bolt and a screw in it. We might have to go with that setup over here, but yeah, we're gonna have to figure out a way to get that off. But yeah, we got the door handles. This right here is pretty much all the screws, the screw kit, clips, some more stuff down in there. But for the interior, because when I took my interior out, most of those bolts were rusty, you know, all raggedy looking and everything. So man, I just got some new ones. Let's see what we got right here. Okay, and these are for, you know, down here. I don't know the name for them. Let's see if we can get these pieces up out of here. Didn't even really look at them. I just opened the box just to see what it was, but I ain't gonna do all that. But y'all see what it is, man. Got some new trim pieces, and I think this is the upper part for the dash. Y'all bear with me, like that, but y'all get the gist of it. We're gonna have to, now, yeah, there is gonna be some stuff that I know I have to like re-dye. So I mean, I guess, you know, that's gonna be another video or whatever, because I don't think I'm gonna do that today. But all right, man, I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch my guy, because he is a hard guy to get up with. Oh my goodness, trust me, I would have got the seats from him, man. But all right, y'all, we'll be back though. All right, y'all, we back at it again. All right, man, I'm out here. Man, this made me upset, bro. I can't, well, y'all know I needed this back piece and the upper back seat. Man, he got a whole bunch of Regals out here, man, and he got 2 of them that got the original G-body seats in them. One of them, doggone, the frame of it is rusted out, but original G-body seats, man. All right, y'all, well, I'm gonna grab some more stuff off this car, and I'll bring y'all back. Okay. Let's go, y'all. All right, man, we done made it back to the house. I did pick up me some dye for those other pieces that I had just got, and I did find that piece. Boy, hey, I could not find this piece anywhere online, man. That's crazy. But I mean, little parts like this probably don't get bought as often. All right, y'all, but we did get, I know y'all probably seen it, that back passenger cell panel, which is in good shape, needs to be cleaned up. Got a few little nicks and stuff on it, but it ain't too bad, and it's exactly like my other one. That's what I wanted for real. And then we did get that upper back seat, man. All right, y'all, we gonna go ahead and jump into this for it doggone call for rain. I thought it was gonna be a nice day, man, but we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that lock on. First I'm gonna move this stuff back out there, but I'm gonna throw that lock on, then we're gonna try to work on those doggone latches, good gracious, the door handles. All right, man, we'll be back, bro. That was quick and simple. Now, if y'all new to my channel, man, y'all please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man, so y'all know whenever I drop a video, man. and I appreciate y'all for watching my content. So yeah, if you need to know how to do that, like put the lock in ABC step, my last video, man, I pretty much broke it down Barney style. Trust me, I don't know how to do none of this, man. So this is my first time doing all of this, everything that you see that I've done. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get to this side, which I think bro, because it has this hex screw on it and Phillips at the bottom. Boy, what a setup. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with them rivets over there. But all right, man, I'm gonna get y'all set up. We're gonna get to it. I'm taking this screw up out of here. Probably need my biggest screwdriver. Cool. Hold on, I probably need to figure out which one I need to put on there, Dang. I have to find me a screw on that side. Hopefully when I take them rivets out. Man. Alright. This looks like a size 9 or something. So that's a size 8. My ratchet that I had earlier. Man, I could just use a little screwdriver thing. Just unhooks like that. Alright, so it's this. Yeah, it can't be that one for the other side. Tricky. Man, I don't know what the weather want to do out here today. Mess around and catch pneumonia out here. Playing around. Come on, get in there, G. Oh, hold up. Alright. Put this back in there. Oh, Lord. Well, I'm messed up today, man. This one didn't fit. That fit is. Oh man, is this something I just took out of there? Oh man. Let me try to put that in first. It's way over here. Dang, man, somebody must have rigged that up. Oh man, I'm about to. Oh, this was about to be a breeze. Man, you know what? Let's go find us some boats, man. Let's go find us some boats. Oh, let me flip y'all around. Already doing stuff like should have known. Should have came in here and grabbed. Oh, bingo. Alright, let's see gotta drop everything in, y'all. What y'all doing? What y'all looking at? Well, it's always something. We gonna figure it out. I gotta flip y'all back around. Well, just hold y'all right there real quick. See if we can get. Boy, I'm telling you, gotta always be prepared with these bills, boy. Oh man, I don't know. That one too small. Here look like it's too doggone big. Man, might have to go look in my other. See, dang, it's crazy it fit that one. Yeah, not too big. Well, it looks like we about to. I thought that was gonna be simple, man. I don't think I got no more bolts and screws nowhere else. That's too big to even fit in here. Sheesh. Oh gosh. Like, I need the size right after that. Nope. Nope. Let me think. Dang, why didn't that? I don't know what happened with that. Oh, they drilled another hole right there. Wow. Y'all see that? They drilled an extra hole right here to hold this handle in. Because this one doesn't have it. You can tell they drilled a hole. I don't want to do that. I mean, I could. It is a self-tapping. I don't want to do that. I'm going to just try to get, maybe if I can put, ooh, I got enough space where if I put one of them bolts back there, right here, that kind of are snug, I can put some bolts on the back of them. Okay, let's see if we got, all right, so we got some nuts to fit it. All right, man, so, hey, y'all watch, this how it go, man, all right, so, boom, let me put this joker back here, and then I'll just screw that into it. Dang, I should have figured out what size it was first. Probably 10 or something. Dang, I can't find it. Dang, I should have put a lock washer. Let me think smarter before I have to redo stuff. Let me get a lock washer. I know I got some in here. This little kit. Hey, let me show y'all, man. Buy this little kit, man. I think I got it from Harbor Freight or somewhere. Got all these different bolts and nuts. I hope y'all can see because I'm just holding it upside. I can't really see if y'all see, but hey, buy that little kit, man. We're gonna get it figured out though. Boom, I think this washer should fit. All right. Do that. Put that on there. Put the washer on there. And that on the back of it. Well, we're gonna figure it out now. Oh, yeah. Now is that a? That's bigger than that. 8, that's 10. Oh, hopefully we can do the same up there, man. Over there. Heck yeah. Get me a wrench. Dang. Let's see what side goes with this. How this one's smaller? I must got man, that's crazy. I'm about to, well, I can just find something. I got a whole set right here. Alright, y'all, let's test this thing out, man. Move the tools out. Have a seat. Alright, y'all see we on there. Okay. Hey, all right, y'all, let's jump to this other side. All right, y'all, we on the passenger side. Dang, man, I'm trying to see. I don't want to really tear those, you know, bend it out too much, tear my stuff up. Trying to get this out, but y'all see it got rivets in it, top and bottom. Dang, y'all. Oh, crap, man. I might have to get the grinder. I might have to get the grinder, right? Yeah. Let me go grab the grinder, man. All right, y'all. Oh snap! I gotta get that out of there. Some little pieces. All right, let's try that again. Oh no! Where'd the little piece go? Oh. Have this little clip piece on there on the other side. Some little bolts come up out of these. Oh man, I'm gonna have to put the window down. Oh no, no. Get to it. No rush. Go ahead and put that other one and I'll tighten them up. Oh snap. I'm gonna have to clean these doors out one day. All right, y'all, let's give it a test. Oh, man. Alrighty. Boom. Well, you heard that. You know she closed. Hey. We good. That's done. And yeah, I know I gotta go back over them and tighten them up, man. But as far as that, man, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, taking the time out with your boy today. All right, y'all, from here, like I said, we got to get those seat brackets bolted in, and we're gonna have to get some stuff dyed. Just, I know it's only probably like a few pieces or whatever, but man, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell, man, so you know anytime I drop a video. Man, I truly appreciate y'all. Peace.